Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable live translated captions in Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's begin. So once you've joined a meeting or an interview, go to the top here and then select More. Now go to Language and Speech, then select Show Live Captions. So now it says captions are turned on in English, so when somebody who's speaking a different language joins the meeting, so if they speak that language, it's going to automatically translate to English. Now, if you want to change the language, go to the right side here, then select the settings cog. From there, under language, it's going to say caption language. Now, if you want that other language to be translated to a language that you can actually understand, then go to caption language, then use the drop-down option. And then there's going to be other languages in which you can choose from, but I'm going to be using English US. Then if you go to the bottom here, it says spoken language. Transcript and captions will be generated in this language for the meeting. So select the drop-down option, and then we have a list of other languages in which you can choose from. So find the one that you're comfortable with. Then once you're done, you can also change the styles of the text, the height, position, and then the font size. Once you're done, you can just simply go to this cross here on the top right, and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.